So divisions of 4-digit numbers now. 4 digits. So 4326, that is a 4 digit by 8. Now how we are divide this one? 8 is a divisor and 4326 is a dividend. Now same like we are done this one 3 digit. Now here it is a 4 digit. First we have to take 1000 place, that is a the 1000 place means we can't separate, that is you have to put 0, otherwise leave that. Again we are taking this one 3, so 2 digit 1 and 2, that is a 43. We can divide this one. 8 5s are 40, so we have to subtract. The division means repeated subtraction. So 3 minus 0 means 3. Again we are pulling this one ones place, that is a bringing down 2. So 3 we can't divide, so we are taking the ones place, that is a tens place. Here this is a 100 place now. 4 digit no, so this is a 100 place, we are bringing down 3. 3 is a 100 place, bringing down 3, and again we are bringing the tens place, that is a 2. Now we can divide this one. 8 4s are 32, then 0. Again the 6 is ones place is there, so we have to divide this one 6. Yes, no, again it is a smaller, we can't take anything, so it is a remainder, and 540 is a quotient. So 540 quotient and remainder is 6. Now exercise part 6.7. So we will solve in notebook. So first one is exercise part. This is a 236 divided by 7. So first we have to take 1000 place. Here it is smaller, so we have to take 100 place 23, and again 7 3s are 21. 3 minus 1 means 2. Again we are bringing the tens place 9. 7 4s are 28. Again we are bringing 1, that is a 6. So 7 2s are 14. 2 is a remainder. Q is, that is a quotient is a 342. So what they are telling, check your answer. Again they are telling check your answer. So you have to make this one method. 7 into 342 plus 2, that is a divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 2394 plus 2, that is a 2396. Okay, now this one is what? This one is second one, 8202 divided by 3. The answer is, that is a 2734, the quotient, and answer, that is a remainder is 0. So we have to 3 into 2734 plus 0. So 8202 plus 0, that is 8202. Third sum like this, that is a fourth one. So 9 divided, that is a 760, the 7639 divided by 9. 9 is a divisor, 7639 is a dividend. So we have to divide this one. First one, the 1000 place we have to take. This is smaller, so we are taking the 100 place also, 76. Again we have to tell the tables. 7, that is a 9 it's a 72. So what happened here? It is a 6 divided by 6 minus 2 means 4, and 7 minus 7 means what? That is a 0. 7 minus 1 means that is a 0. Yes, no? Now again what happened? 43 is coming. The 3 we are bringing down, that is a tens place. Again we have to divide this one. 9, that is 9 4s are 36. So we have to borrow here, because 9 5s are 45. So that is a 45 is a bigger, so we are taking 4, 36. 13 minus 6 means 7, and 3 minus, here it is a 3 remaining, here it is a 3 remaining, so 3 minus 3 means that is a 0. Okay, then 79. Again 9 8s are 72. The 7, we have to minus this one. 9 minus 2 means 7. The 7 is a remainder. Again we have to check this one answer. So the answer is 7639. Now this one same, 8311 divided by 5. So we have to divide this one. Then answer is, the quotient is 1662. The remainder is 1. So we have to make this one. Check the answer. So the answer is 8311. Same like 6th one. Same, the answer is 0. This is a remainder is 0, and quotient is 1887. So when we are checking the answer is should be divided is equal to this one dividend. So the 7548 is correct. Then here it is a 7th one. Same 1957 divided by 6. So the answer is, when we are checking this one, divisor into quotient plus, that is a remainder. So divisor is a 6, and what quotient is a 326, okay, plus remainder is a 1. So 6 into 326 means 1956 plus 1, so 1957. So 8th one, 2095 divided by 2. The quotient is 1047. The remainder is R, that is R is 1. So this is when we are checking this one answer, the answer is 2095. So this is a correct. Then 9th one, this one same you have to do, that is the same. 6, that is 1536 divided by 6. The quotient is 1256. The remainder is 0. 10th one is 5476 divided by 8. 8 is a divisor and 5476 is a dividend, and our quotient is what? That is 684, and remainder is R. Then we have to check this one answer to by formula, that is a dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. The answer is 5476. The 11th one is 1953 divided by 9. The 9 is a divisor and 1953 is a dividend, and the answer is, the quotient is 217 and remainder is 0. Then we have to check the answer by the formula, and this is answer is 1953. Then here it is 7953 divided by 7. So the answer is, that is a divisor, dividend, and the quotient is 1139. The remainder is 0. Yes, no? Then we have to check this one. The answer is 7973. Division by 10 and 100 shortcut method. See how we are doing this one shortcut method. See, 10, that is a 10. Here it is one, for example, this one, what they told, 714 divided by 10. So divided by 10. So 1 is, that is a 100 place. So 10 is a bigger. So again we are taking the 10's place, 71. 10 sevens are 70. 1 is a remainder, that is a remaining. We are subtracting this one. 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1 is a smaller. Again we are taking 1's place, that is a 4. Again 10 fours are 10 ones are 10. So 4 is a remainder. Okay, 4 is a remainder and quotient is 71. How we are doing this one? See, directly the shortcut method. See, here it is a 0. 10 is there, 1 0 is there. Yes, no? So we have, what we have to do? 1, the 1's place is what? 1 0, the 10 means that is ones. What we have to do? That is a 0. The 0 is a 1's place. So 4. The 4 is what? Remainder. The remaining 2 are what? This is 71 is quotient. Again, here it is a 4 digit is there, but 10, they are divided by 10 they are telling. What we have to do? Only 1, that is 1's place, that is a 4, that is a what? Remainder. Other part is quotient. Other part is quotient. Again 1241. So 1 0 is there means this is a 1, this is a remainder. Other, that is a 124 quotient. Here it is also 1 0, that is a divided by 10. So 0 is, we are considering this is a 1's place. So this is a 8. 8 means this is a 8 is remainder. 267 is quotient. Now shortcut method by division by 100. Division by 100. Here it is what? 2 digit is there. See here, 2 digit means we have to take 1's place and 10's place. Okay, this is 96 is a remainder, and remaining that one 3 is what? Quotient. That is a quotient is 3. Okay, this is a 96 is what? Remainder, and 3 is a quotient. Same like 4000. Here it is a 2 zeros are there. The 2 zeros means this is 1's and 10's place. So this is what? This is a remainder, and this is 42 is a quotient. 7245 is there. So 100 divided by 100. 2 zeros means 1, that is 1's and 10's. So here's 1's and 10's. This is what? This is a remainder. 45 is a remainder and 72 is a quotient. Here also This is 34 is a remainder, and other this is part, that is a 56 is a quotient. The exercise part 6.8. 6.8, find the quotient and the remainder using the shortcut method. First I solve this one long cut method. 10 divided, that is a 623 divided by 10. So 6 is not coming, that is 100 place. Again we are taking 10's place, that is 62. So 10 6 are 60. We have to minus this one. That 2 minus 0 means 2, and 6 minus 6 means that is a 0. So again we are bringing 1's place, 23. Then what? 10 2s are 20. Why we are bringing? 2 is the smaller, so we are bringing down 20. R is a remainder. Okay, that is 2 is a 3 is a R means remainder 3. So what we have to do? We have to close. This is one shortcut means here 1 0. So 1 0 means this is 1's place. This is a remainder. 3 is a remainder and 62 is a quotient. Yes, so again same 819 divided by 10. So what we have to do? See, here it is a 1 0 is there. So this is 1 in the 1 0, 1's place is that one, remainder 9. Quotient is 81. Same 3529, 1 that is 1's place is 0. So 9. What you have to do? 9 is a remainder. Then other part 352 is what? 352 is quotient. Okay. Then 6651 divided by 10. 1 0, that is 1 0 is there. 1, that is 1's place, that is 1 is remainder. Other part, that is a 665 quotient. Again here it is a 2 zeros. Okay, 2 zeros means 36 is a remainder. Okay, 1's and 10's. 1's and 10's, 36 is remainder, and quotient is what? This is a 1 quotient. Okay, 1 is a quotient. Now 2 zeros are there divided by 100. So 2 zeros is 1's and 10's. So 24. 24 is a remainder. The quotient is 93. Here it is a 9165. 67. So 2 zeros again. So 2 is 1's and 10's. That is 67 is remainder, and remaining part, that is 91 is quotient. This is a shortcut method. This is a shortcut method. So 4335. 2 zeros means here it is a 2 0, 1's and 10's, 35. See here 35 is a remainder and 43 is a quotient.